Our dear customer, this is a 3-tire stainless dish rack. Look how it is. Very nice. Polished, well coated to prevent rusting. This is how we are going to arrange our utensils. As we are arranging our utensils, I can tell you it has a larger surface area. And the dimensions of this kind of stainless 3-tire dish rack, it is 44 centimeters by 27 centimeters by 67 centimeters. Wow! And it is a high quality stainless 3-tire dish rack. This is what I love in my kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, high quality stainless 3-tire dish rack is only found at Superior Household. As you can see, how our layers are being and this is how our 3 layers look like. You can see the first, second layer already filled up. Now we're on the 3rd layer. Wow, it looks beautiful. After washing your utensil, you don't need to have stress. It accommodates every kind of plates. Our dear customer, this is the purpose of our 3-tire stainless dish rack. You can see the way it looks like. It looks wow. Whoo! And this is the 3-tire stainless dish rack. Our dear customer, come at Superior Household, shop with us. The whole utensils are found there, together with the dish rack. Wow, so loving.